Hello everyone, this video will show you how to register for Master Spellers. First, open your browser and visit our website by typing in masterspellers.com. On the top right corner, there is an Enroll Now button. Click that to enroll for the preliminaries. Enter the required information, choose your country, state, and city. Enter your student details, including your date of birth, first name, middle name if you have one, and surname. Enter your primary mobile number and email ID. These are your primary contact details where all communication will be sent. Enter your residential address. Please make sure to enter the address correctly and include the PIN code. Select a school from the drop-down list and a standard. Your group will be assigned based on your grade. Enter your parent or guardian information, along with, again, the registered mobile number and email. Click Submit. You will be redirected to the verification page. You will receive an OTP on the registered WhatsApp number and email ID. Please enter and continue. You can view the rules of the competition here. Please read them thoroughly. You must follow these rules throughout the Master Spellers competition. There's also information regarding the refund policy. Please click Agree, and you will be taken to the payment page. Once you click Proceed, you can choose a preferred payment method. Do not refresh the page until the payment has been successful. You will get a payment receipt once the transaction has been completed. Then go to your registered email ID and find the Welcome to Master Spellers email. This is the initial welcome email that contains all student information, including the unique student ID and password, which you can use to log into the dashboard. There is additional information that you can read. Click Login Now and you will be redirected to the student login page, where you can visit your student dashboard. Congratulations, you have now registered for Master Spellers. You can view other videos to learn more about the Master Spellers process. Thank you.